how to customize table fields in Airtable. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can customize your table fields in Airtable. Kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then the next step is to select the base where you would like to customize the table field. So this is the base. Once you selected the base and you are brought to the base page, you can see details about the base page. You can see the field. By the left side of the screen, you can see the different views available, right? Yes, you can see the different views available. So once you can see this, the next step or the next thing to do is to click on the plus icon next to the existing fields to add a new field. All right. Yeah, once you click on this person icon, you can add a new field if you want. And then for each of these fields, to edit this field, you can just click on the role and then type out whatever you want. For example, now the heading here is name, right? So you can just type out names in here. Okay. For example, this is a name. Okay. And then you can move further by writing further notes about the person. So that is your focus. Then for the assignee and stickers as well, you can just go ahead and add as many things as you want. And then you can also select the type of field you want to add or change. Okay. For example, you want to be a single line text, you want to be a multiple select field, you want to be an attachment field, etc. To do this, just select the field in here, and then once after selecting the field, a box will be displayed. In this box, you can see the different kind of fields, right? So you can see the single line text, and you can see long line, you can see number, currency. Now each of these type um field will enable or determine the kind of writing that will be in those fields. Okay, to just select the kind of field you want. Then after selecting it, click on save, and then the next step or the next thing to do to customize your field is by configuring your field option. So depending on the field type, you have different options. Like I said earlier, you have the city select field. You can assign colors to them. To the city select field, you can assign colors to them to make them look similar and all of that. And then you can also update multiple fields at once by using your bulk field action to apply changes across your base. So this is basically how to do. And then you can also share your base, so you can embed this. You can also create a form view if you want and add colors, like I said earlier. You can sort, then this is how you can customize your table fields in Airtable. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure you have a good day.